In this video, we delve into the world of ashwagandha, discussing its nature, overall health advantages, and, most notably, its extensively researched anti-cancer attributes. What is ashwagandha? Ashwagandha is known as Indian ginseng or winter cherry. The root of this plant is most often used in traditional Indian medicine to promote general well-being, treat a range of ailments, and enhance physical and mental well-being. It is available in a variety of forms, such as tablets, liquids, and gels. The most common way to consume ashwagandha is as an herbal supplement in the form of a pill or powder. It has a slightly bitter taste, making it an excellent addition to savory dishes. The powder can also be used to create herbal teas, or you can even add it to smoothies for a healthy, energizing boost. It has also recently gained popularity as a topical cream or ointment. What are the health benefits of ashwagandha? Ashwagandha is widely used in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. It is often referred to as an adaptogen, meaning it may help the body adapt to stress and maintain overall health. Potential benefits of ashwagandha include stress reduction. Ashwagandha is known for its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. It may help lower cortisol levels, which are associated with stress. Improved sleep. Some people report improved sleep quality and reduced insomnia when taking ashwagandha supplements due to its calming and stress-reducing effects. Enhanced immune function. Ashwagandha may boost the immune system, potentially increasing the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses. What makes ashwagandha a cancer-fighting food? Ashwagandha exhibits several properties that make it a potentially valuable addition to a cancer-fighting diet. It is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and withanolides. Withafrin A and withanone are two withanolides that have been shown to be cytotoxic to human cancer cells. A 2023 study stated, withanolides may improve the safety and efficacy of cancer treatments as adjuvants to traditional cancer therapeutics. Ashwagandha's anti-inflammatory effect can help mitigate chronic inflammation associated with an elevated cancer risk. This herb also modulates the immune system, potentially enhancing its ability to detect and destroy cancer cells. It may even induce apoptosis in cancer cells, prompting their self-destruction. For those interested in discovering more about natural methods for staying healthy, simply click on the link in the show notes to enroll in our free anti-cancer workshop. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, there are 99 more life-changing anti-cancer food videos waiting for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on the most crucial wellness-related trends.